Shakti, Shanti, Shraddha, Matru. These all are the symbolic words for woman. There can't be a better explanation of woman empowerment than this. It signifies the power of woman. Today we are gathered here to celebrate the International Women's Day. Today is the 8th March and we are all together here to celebrate this auspicious day.
We know every year we are observing this Women's Day on behalf of Directorate of Health Services, that is in the State Family Welfare Bureau. But it was just an internal affair within the Department of Family Welfare. This year we said that we will extend it to the whole of DHS. So we have included all the staff or all the categories of staff and all the departments from the Directorate of Health Services for the full state. The theme for this year is balance for better. Now when we say balance for better, it is to call to attention for a gender balance rather than a gender bias. Since the theme is balance for better, we decided not to restrict the dance groups only to the women. So the males are also invited to attend the dance as well as the other competitions. The competitions which we have arranged was the cooking competition. Initially we did it on the 6th of March for the staff of the DHS building, Panji. Then we had an open competition. We have an open competition for all the government employees of Goa, that is the greeting card competition. And today we have dance groups from all the peripheral centers, district hospitals, sub-district hospitals under the DHS. We've got a very good response for this. By arranging such competitions, I think we are coming across all the hidden talents in the DHS, and there is an interaction between the staff, the various staff, various departments. We come to know each other better.